Now I want to render our movies here, but a little nicer than we have here. So let's create another component, and I will create movie.view. And you already know the drill, so let's create a scaffold and let's copy styles from movie here. Let's grab everything and let's paste it here. So for now, let's just have a empty div with a class of movie. Let's save and let's move back to movie list here. So we need to import this new component, movie, from movie, and we also have to register component here, component, and let's have movie. Okay, so I want to replace this part with movie here, and we will also have v4 movie in movies, and we also have to bind a key, so this will be movie.id. So now I want to pass this movie down to our child component, and we can actually do that by passing a prop. So inside our movie here, we can define which props does this component accept. So here we can define a props property, and let's define a movie. Let's give it a type of object, and we can also define a default value, and I will set this to an empty object. So back inside our movie list here, well, in order to pass this prop down, we have to bind movie to this prop, and let's send a movie. So now this movie will be passed to this movie prop that we are listening here on this movie, and we have access to movie here. So now we can define a couple of UI elements here. So I'll have an image, and when we want to take some value from our movie object here, we can bind to this value. And then here we can give it a movie.poster value. And here let's have, well, movie poster. Inside let's have a div with a class of description, and inside I want to have a div with a class of basic info. Let's have a h3 heading, and I want to write a movie name here, so movie.name. Let's have also rating inside span, and let's also access rating here, movie.rating. Below, let's display the category of this movie, so movie, and we also have movie.year. Okay, so now let's check what we have created so far. If we go back here, well, we have our movies rendered. The images look nice. This piece here is not so good. We have some styling to fix. But overall, we have our movies rendered from our state. Well, good job, well done. So actually what we are missing here is, let's move this outside of basic info and have it here. So now if we go back, our styling is a little better.